Hello, welcome to Wheeler Detailers. Today we are on site at AutoCare Detailing Garage in Deventer, the Netherlands, to test out our first dcon matte quick detailer and spray sealant. So we're inside at AutoCare Detailing Garage, Netherlands, to try out our first dcon matte quick detailer and spray sealant. We needed a matte car to give a good demo on, to make this video for you guys and girls. So I called Arnoud and said, do you have something matte for me? Yeah, I do. How do you like a matte purple Cayenne? I said, I definitely like it. And let me know in the comments how you like this car as well. AutoCare Detailing Garage is the bespoke place to be in the eastern part of Holland for high-end car detailing, for non-glossy quartz treatments, for PPF installments, and for high-end vehicle wraps. Check them out on autocaredetailinggarage.nl. Dcon matte quick detailer and spray sealant. What will it do on matte surfaces? So first of all, it can clean the surface. Second of all, it will remove dust and oxidation. It will also remove pollen, especially in the summertime. It will remove grease and fingerprints from your car. Also use it to remove bird poop when it's kind of fresh on the surface. And you can also clean matte wheels with it as well. It works on matte paints, it works on matte vehicle wraps, and it works on matte PPF, so-called Xpel Stealth. Enough said, let's go to work. This Cayenne has been standing outside for quite a while, and we see some on-lying dirt and sand particles lying on the matte PPF surface. We spray it on the surface, then we take a long piled microfiber towel, very important. So long piled, the fibers go in one direction when I wipe one way, and they go in the other direction when I wipe the other way. So I will either close the microfibers or I will open the microfibers. And with on-lying dirt and oxidation, then it's always the safest to do is to work in one direction with long piled microfibers to take on lying sand particles, oxidation, on in this case, the matte PPF surface. Then we wipe in one direction. We lift the towel over the clean section. Here we go. Here's my dirt that has been taken off. And you can already see that it's completely vaporizing clean. But to be sure, we're going to give it an extra wipe with a second long piled towel that we also will move in one direction. We finish off the surface. I have 8 sections on a towel, 4 here and 4 on the other side. And you can already see here all the dirt and oxidation that I took off from that little part on the bonnet. So now it's time to finish the bonnet. So we're going to do it half the bonnet. And after that, we're going to do the other half of the bonnet, folding it to 2 clean sections on my towel. I'm going to spray it on the surface. Let it soak in for a couple of seconds. And then we're going to give it a wipe in one direction. Here we go. To take on that on-lying dirt, which is on the matte PPF, in the fibers of our towel. And immediately I'll wipe it afterwards with my second clean towel. You can see it's more or less already giving that crisp, matte, clean finish as we all liked. So with this kind of oxidation, and this would have been a matte painted car, then I would normally go to the wash bay and pre-wash and hand wash the car there first, and then apply it on a cool and dry surface. So we see here what we call some pollen. Max will put in the English word for that. Again, we spray on the surface, we let it soak for a couple of seconds. We take a clean side of a long piled microfiber towel. Here we go. And we wipe in one direction. We take our second long piled microfiber towel and re-wipe the surface to a crisp, clean, and streak-free result. So here we see some runoffs, probably after washing, rinsing, and then drying, and then after a couple of meters by all the vibrations that the car makes. Some waste water rolls from the mirror cap down over the door. Fingerprints, same principle. Spray lip cure, and wipe. Re-wipe with your second long pile towel. Fingerprints are gone. So the rear side as well. Here's some fingerprints as well from opening the trunk. A larger section in one time. Birdpoop time. So I'm gonna soak it a little bit on the spot as well. And then mist it out over the whole wing. Go. So, matte wheels as well. You see also quite some oxidation on the front end of the wheel here as well. Also on the wheel bed, but I don't have a bucket with wheel woolies on hand. So I'm going to focus on the front. And I'll wipe the towel over my finger. And I'll just glide the surface. Easy as that. Already mentioned in the beginning of the video, we have finished almost all over the car, but I really value Arnoud's opinion. So this time the time has come for Arnoud approved. So let's go. How is this finish?
Very nice, very slick. So it's approved.
AutoCare Detailing Garage.nl.
Yeah.
.nl. So check him out for bespoke vehicle detailing, Nexus required coatings, PPF installments, and high-end color wraps. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.